All right, thank you, Hannah. The call for action from Uvalde
I can't imagine
families.
how it feels to have so much power, and yet here we are on the last day still hoping you'll do the right thing.
The call for action from Uvalde families is answered. In a last-minute move, a Texas House committee votes to move a bill that would raise the age to buy an assault rifle from 18 to 21. KENS 5 reporter Troy Kless shares how the vote took place. Troy?
Well, Isis, less than 2 hours after Uvalde families spoke in the state capitol this morning, the House Committee on Community Safety called a surprise meeting. Now, the families never gave up hope this whole session and are carrying the pain of their loss for almost 1 year.
Families of the Robb Elementary victims are still grieving, including Anne-Marie Jo Garza's aunt, Laura.
In 2 days, my niece is supposed to turn 11, but that'll never happen because that was taken from her.
Life taken from 2 teachers and 19 children. The families of Jackie Caceres, Lexi Rubio, and Uzziah Garcia pleading for action.
I haven't begged and pleaded for a time machine so I could go back to May 24th and just bring my baby home after those awards. The one small, very simple ask that we've had is to just raise the age limit.
State lawmakers say the time for change is now.
We have 3 weeks, and we need to spend every single minute of every single day not giving up on them, not giving up on her.
And seconds later, a vote is held for the kids that Laura is still fighting for.
When you think about whether this bill is worth being voted on, think about your child being on the other side of a door in a dangerous situation like our kids were.
In a grim reality for these families, a glimmer of hope is given.
2 out of 7 Republicans on the committee voted in support of the bill, and it will now move to the House Calendars Committee, who will decide when the bill is heard on the full House floor. Troy Kless, KENS 5.
Thank you, Troy.